Yo, what is up, YouTube? Back again with the Yamaha Blaster. Project Blaster. As you can see, I started taking some things off. Basically what I want to do is I want to get the motor out, sandblast this frame. I'm just trying to think what color I want to go with. I don't know if I want to go with like a metallic blue or maybe like a candy apple red. I don't know, we'll figure that out later. But anyway, I want to get this motor out and freshen everything up. Let's see. I probably would like to do a big bore kit. Would be nice. A big bore kit. I'm not sure though yet. I'm still debating on what I want to do with that. But I'm gonna, extend the A arms. Do the extended A arm kit, which is gonna cost money. Extend the swing arm. All that fun stuff. That's gonna cost money. Everything costs money. So I wanted to say something real quick about this. I had a video and people were asking about the oil mix. You can delete this, but I'm telling you, the factory one works great. There's really never any problems with it. Some people say, oh, they go bad and they break. If you don't see any smoke coming out this pipe, then obviously this ain't working. So when you have a two-stroke and you don't see smoke coming out the pipe, then you have a problem. Because a two-stroke, you're supposed to see blue smoke come out. You're supposed to have smoke come out the pipe. That's how you're getting your oil. You're getting your oil through your cylinder because it's a two-stroke. On a four-stroke, you shouldn't see any smoke. On a four-cycle engine, you should see no smoke at all on a four-stroke. On a two-cycle engine, if you don't see smoke coming out, there's a problem. So that's how you know these go bad. If you don't see any smoke coming out, then you know you're not lubricating your cylinder. So, like I said, 95% chance these things are 95% reliable. The other 5% they might break. I highly doubt that, though. I never seen one that was broken yet. But if you want to delete this, it's easy. You cut this hose here that comes down from the tank. Cut this here, block it off. Okay, you got one hose there, and you have one hose that comes out from the pump here. One hose that goes in, one hose that goes in, one hose that goes out. So you block these two off, this one and this one. Just put a screw in it, just block it off. Then you just cap the carburetor up there. And that's it, you're done. Now they do have a block off plate that you can buy. You take these screws out here, this cover comes off, and there's a block off, and you take the oil pump out and then you put the block off plate on. You can do that, you don't have to. I've seen people block these off and still keep that in there, but that's personal preference if you want to spend money on the block off plate. Anyways, back to the blaster. I just showed you how to delete this. It's very simple. Like I said, you just snip this, put a screw in there, block it off, and then the same thing with the other line. There's only two lines that go in, out. Small one's the output to the carb, the bigger one's the input. All right, so yeah, so this thing needs brakes. Look at that. Oh yeah, what do you know? No brake pad left. You see what I mean? Sucks. Gotta do brake pads. People screw these quads up pretty bad. When I buy something, I buy it needs everything, and I gotta fix everything. Because people just ride these quads and they don't want to do any maintenance. So hey, let's just ride the brakes down till they scratch the rotor. Must be nice. Oh man, telling you, man, people. But so yeah, I'll get new brakes, new pads, front and rear. Yeah, I'm gonna take everything off, strip everything down, powder coat the frame, take it from there. But yeah, it's just a quick video to let you know what's going on. This is the one I'm gonna build up from the frame up, rebuild. So I gotta finish taking everything off. So it's a work in progress. But I'll keep you guys updated. But man, get a blaster, man. Just get one. It's fun. They're great. You don't have to like I said, man, it's a reliable quad, man. I mean, there's so much fun to play with. As long as you're not like 6'2", you'll be fine. For anyone that's like 5'9" or shorter, Squat's perfect. But like I said, you can always extend this. You know, this we can get an extended swing arm. You can extend the the front. Get the extended A arms on the front. You can do so many modifications. Which sky's the limit, dude. You can do whatever. But there's so many aftermarket upgrades you can do to this. So, but yeah, it's definitely a blast to work on too. So it's very easy to work on. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. I'll get some more videos up soon. All right, peace and hair grease. See ya.